Rakuten. Earn cashback while you shop. Rakuten is a popular cashback platform that allows you to earn money online while shopping at your favorite stores. It's a simple concept. Sign up for a free Rakuten account. Activate cashback offers for the stores you plan to shop at. Shop through the Rakuten website or browser extension. Earn cashback on your purchases. How does it work? Rakuten partners with thousands of online retailers, from big-name brands to smaller shops. When you make a purchase through Rakuten, you earn a percentage of your spending back as cash. This cashback accumulates in your Rakuten account and can be redeemed for checks or PayPal payments. Rakuten pays quarterly, which is every 3 months. Key features of Rakuten: wide range of stores. Rakuten partners with a vast array of retailers, including fashion, electronics, travel, and more. Cashback bonuses. In addition to regular cashback, Rakuten often offers bonus promotions and referral rewards. In-store cashback. Some retailers offer cashback on in-store purchases when you link your credit card to your Rakuten account. Browser extension. The Rakuten browser extension makes it easy to activate cashback deals with a single click. Is Rakuten legit? Yes. Rakuten is a legitimate and well-established company. Millions of people use Rakuten to save money on their online shopping. Want to give it a try? You can sign up for a free Rakuten account and start earning cashback today by using my referral link located in the description below. This video is not sponsored. If you click on any of the referral or affiliate links and make a purchase, I will receive a small commission or some benefit at no extra cost to you.